Do a video.
I am doing a video. This one's from Uncle Jay, Aunt Heidi, and Cousin Miles.
Open it up, buddy. Do you need help? Wow. What is it? Open it up on the top. Oh? Can you show the cover to us? What is it?
What is it, buddy?
Wow! What is it? What is it? Show it to us.
Oh, golf balls.
What is it, bud?
Whoa! Golf balls! You can do your own golf and look, it's way easy.
That is so cool. You can be just like Daddy,
Yeah.
playing golf outside.
See, isn't it so cool? Let's open it. No, we can only do it outside and don't stand on it. Can I just open one? Let's open outside.
Tyler, can you say thank you to Uncle Jay and Aunt Heidi?
Thank you.
And say thank you, Cousin Miles.
And thank you, Cousin Miles.